is Abby from Hot Yoga Long Beach. Today I'm going to demonstrate how to properly perform a butterfly, one of our favorite classic Pilates ab exercises. Alright, so today what you want to do is get set up onto your glutes, bring your arms out low and wide, palms facing up, and what we'll do is go ahead and lay all the way back onto your mat. Inhale as you extend your legs all the way out. Exhale as you lift, crunch in, bring your knees towards your chest, keeping your palms facing up. Chest lifted, right? Inhale as you extend out. Exhale as you crunch up. Squeeze your glutes and your thighs. Point your toes. Keep your chest lifted here. Targeting your low belly. Another powerful variation for this one is you can keep your upper back on the mat. Chin to chest, shoulders and chest off the mat. Keep your belly tucked in nice and tight. Arms again, wide and low. Bring your knees in towards your chest. Inhale as you extend out. Exhale as you come up in towards your crunch. Make sure you keep your chin to chest here to keep your lower back on the mat. Keeping that C curve in your spine. To target that top layer, your rectus abdominus here. Inhale, extend out. Exhale, crunch in. Alright, there's a couple variations for wide low arm butterfly. We'll see you guys soon on the mat.